Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. In today's video, hooking up service to a new house. Got a buddy here. What was it, Michael? Bill, yeah, Bill. Yeah, he was joking. He was saying his name is Michael, but he's Bill. Yeah, Bill's gonna teach us how to hook up service to a new house. Yeah. Okay, right there's Bill. He's getting up his climbing gear to climb the house. Climb the pole, yeah. Yeah. And Bill got the power line already hooked up to the new house. There's the new house. He got it hooked up. He got the cord up there. He got up there with the bucket truck. But over there he has to hook it up. It's unattached, so he's got to hook it back up. And the bucket truck can't make it in, so he's gonna get his climbing gear on and show us how to hook it up service to the new house. Yeah. Let the video be educational.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't try this at home. Yeah. I would say. I said I'll climb it, but I don't know how. There's the gear he got. Some of the gear. Yeah. Let's see your pegs. What's on the edge? Oh, that's right there's the pegs. Right, a little close up. Right there's the pegs. There's another one right there.
Those are called gaffs.
Gaffs?
Those are gaffs. These are spurs.
Spurs?
This is called a spur, and that's the gaff. Yeah.
Oh, that's a gaff. Cool. Yeah. Bill's getting ready. We're gonna walk over and he's gonna show us how to hook up new service to a new house. Yeah, he's using a bucket truck. He used the bucket truck hooked up to there, but he can't get in there. We're gonna walk in there. He's gonna climb up there and hook it up. Yeah. There's a lot of snow still up here in we're here in northern Alberta. We'll stomp through this snow here. All right, folks, we're gonna stomp through the snow there. Maybe we'll get some footage. Yeah. It's very deep. Look at that snow. Snow drift right there. It's gotta climb that. That's deep. Yeah, I'm going in there too. Oh, holy shit, I'm stuck. Right there's a snow drift right here, see? Right along here. Right, he's hooking it up. What's that called?
This is a pole strap.
Pole strap, yeah.
It has a built-in fall arrest.
Yeah.
So this choker
Yeah.
prevents you from.
Oh, it grabs.
down.
Oh, yeah, nice. So that's very safety, very educational. There's the Bill Gus. Let's see your tool. Oh, that's a
Press.
press. Oh yeah, Pro Press. He's got his Pro Press. Bill's gonna get his gear back on. It's gonna go up this pole and hook up to the new service to the power line, to the new house. There's the new house. Bill got another one to hook up over there to that pole, to that house. Whew. Lots of snow.
Yeah. You wouldn't want to do that all day.
Yeah, yeah. What was your last name, Bill?
Lowen.
Lowen? Lowen, oh yeah, Bill Lowen showing us, educating us how to hook up the new service. What's those pegs again on your legs?
Spurs?
It's the spurs. Yeah, lots of time. He's gonna take his time and hook up the new line. Cool stuff. Yeah, Bill's just taking his time. He's gonna hook it up good. It's a little process to it. Is there a negative and positive to that?
Yeah, these blacks are the hot.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's service to the people, right?
That's right.
And you're servicing the new house now, eh?
So the silver one is the neutral.
Yeah.
That one is already connected.
Okay.
But they cut this one free when they
stop the service, eh?
Yeah.
He's putting on his tools.
That's a crimp.
Oh, the squeeze on.
Yeah.
Pro press. He's crimping it at 2 spots, 3 spots. 2 spots. More and more each end. Bill.
I didn't expect this, Michael.
Yeah. It's very educational. I caught it in time. For you guys folks, Bill's teaching us.
Yeah, I'm a power line technician.
Yeah, that's what you are? That's what they call it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How many years schooling it takes to be a technician?
4 years.
4 years? Oh, that's educational. 4 years. Nice. Looks like you know what you're doing.
Yeah, it's definitely comes with time.
Yeah.
Practice.
Practice makes it better. You just get better and better.
You know what to look for.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah.
That's the proper words. Nice. What's that tape going on? Special tape?
It's just a
Regular tape? Oh yeah.
But this tape was almost deteriorated by the sun, so I don't want to have a second point of contact.
Yeah.
So I make sure it's all taped up before I start with my other hot connection.
Oh, I see. Cool. I didn't know that.
What's that?
I didn't know that. That's educational.
Oh.
Yeah.
Don't try it at home.
Yeah, I won't.
This is not an
So,
educational as in try it at home thing.
yeah. It's educational like how the professionals do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
You definitely want to be
Careful, eh? And get someone that knows how to do this stuff. I just want to show that, like, you guys folks, how they hook up service to a new house and part of the stuff that's involved. Some people never get to see this stuff. It's very educational to see the technicians in work, in progress. Yeah, there's Bill, and there's the 2 houses Bill's hooking up to. He's bringing new service to the houses so they could use their furnace, their stove, their fridge, everything. There's his bucket truck. Bill's truck. He hooked up that power line to there. Then he hooked up to here, and his last hookup. And we'll get to watch Bill come down. Yeah. Bill bringing power to the people.
Awesome. Thanks, Michael.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. Bye for now, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was educational. Bye for now.
Okay.
Yeah. Bill's done.